How to fix Facebook story not loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook story not loading on your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your internet is stable, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, because sometimes a weak connection is the reason stories don't load. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Facebook app. So here you can simply go to the Play Store and simply search for the Facebook app. And now here, if you find any update button, then you simply have to tap on it to update it to the latest version, because outdated version can cause loading issues sometimes. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear cache. So here, simply long press on the Facebook app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu simply tap on app info. And now here, once you are in the app settings page, you simply have to tap on the clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on clear cache and confirm it. And once you do that, this will refresh the app and fix the problems many times. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check the Facebook service status. So here, sometimes the issue isn't from your side. The issue is from the server as well. So here, you can simply open any web browser and simply search for the server detector like down detector, and here you can simply search for the Facebook app. And now here, once you search for the Facebook app, and if you see red spikes on the chart, then it means that the server is down. So if that's the problem, you just have to wait for a bit of time. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall Facebook app. So here, if the stories still don't load, then you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall the app again. And with that, it will remove bugs and reset everything cleanly. And with that said, let's move forward to the final step, that is to log out and log in again. So sometimes simply logging out of your Facebook account and logging back in refreshes your feed and stories. So you can do that, and that's it. Facebook stories should now load properly by following these steps. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.